Hello, this is OpinionRadar, and welcome to my latest tool deep dive. Today, I'm taking a closer look at Fivepears Square Clamps, a compact four-piece set that promises to streamline corner work for woodworkers of any skill level. In this video, I'll walk you through why these clamps caught my attention, how they fit into a typical workshop, and what you can expect from the overall ownership experience. We'll explore the design philosophy, the feel of the hardware in the hand, and the value proposition compared with other options on the market. Whether you're building a simple picture frame or tackling a larger cabinet project, having reliable corner-holding tools can make a noticeable difference in speed and accuracy. So stay tuned as we unpack the details, test the clamps in real-world scenarios, and see if they earn a spot in your toolbox. The Fivepears Square Clamps arrive in a compact four-piece set, each offering a 90-degree positioning capability that's essential for anyone serious about woodworking. Constructed from solid aluminum, the clamps measure 5.5 inches on each side, delivering a precise right-angle corner that's both sturdy and lightweight. The precision machine jaws lock into place with a firm grip, ensuring the workpiece stays exactly where you need it during assembly or glue up. What really stands out is the balance between durability and cost. An aluminum build typically commands a premium. Yet, Fivepears manages to keep the price at $54, making these clamps accessible for hobbyists and small shop professionals alike. The set's design includes a simple release lever, allowing quick adjustments without sacrificing the clamping force, a feature that speeds up repetitive tasks and reduces fatigue over long sessions. In practice, these clamps shine in a variety of everyday woodworking scenarios. Whether you're constructing a picture frame, assembling a cabinet door, or building a drawer front, the 90-degree lock guarantees square corners without the need for a separate square or a steady hand. I've used them to hold together the corners of a small coffee table, and the clamps maintain perfect alignment while the glue cured, eliminating any wobble. Their size is also ideal for tighter spaces. The relatively short 5.5-inch arms fit comfortably inside a workbench without crowding other tools. The aluminum construction means they don't rust in humid environments, so they're equally at home in a workshop that doubles as a garage or a climate-controlled studio. The strengths of the Fivepears clamps are evident from the moment you unpack them. The machining quality feels premium. Each clamp slides smoothly yet locks securely, and there's no noticeable play in the moving parts. They handle aluminum square tubing with ease, which is a testament to the robust clamping force they can exert without denting softer materials. The clamps also prove versatile beyond corner work. I've employed them to steady a router table during adjustments, and they held the position firmly without slipping. For the $54 price tag, the value proposition is exceptional, especially compared to heavier steel alternatives that can cost twice as much for comparable performance. The consistent pressure across the jaw surfaces ensures uniform glue lines, a small but crucial advantage for achieving professional-grade finishes. No product is without its trade-offs, and the Fivepears clamps have a couple of quirks worth noting. The bracket arms, while generally sufficient, can feel a tad short when tackling larger workpieces that require a wider reach. You may need to supplement them with additional support or a secondary clamp for oversized projects. Some users report a learning curve when first engaging the release lever. The mechanism is firm, which is great for holding strong, but it can be a bit unforgiving if you're accustomed to click-type clamps. In my experience, the initial adjustment takes a few extra seconds, and that small delay can add up during high-volume production. Lastly, while the aluminum body resists corrosion, it's softer than steel, so occasional scratches are inevitable if the clamps are knocked against rough surfaces. When I first incorporated the Fivepears clamps into my workflow, I was building a set of reclaimed wood picture frames for a client's gallery wall. The frames required precise 90-degree joints, and I wanted a clean interior without any excess glue seepage. I positioned the clamps on each corner, tightened the levers until the wood met perfectly, and applied a thin bead of PVA glue. As the glue set, the clamps maintained a dead flat alignment, which eliminated the need for additional bracing or a jig. The ease of releasing the clamps after curing meant I could move quickly to the next piece, keeping the project on schedule. The clamps also held up when I used them to align the legs of a small side table, where the aluminum's light weight made repositioning effortless without compromising stability. Overall, the Fivepears 4-pack square clamps deliver a compelling mix of precision, durability, and affordability that makes them a solid addition to any woodworker's toolkit. They excel in providing reliable 90-degree support for a range of projects, from modest picture frames to sturdier cabinet components. While the bracket length may limit use on very large assemblies and the release mechanism demands a brief adjustment period, these minor drawbacks are outweighed by the consistent clamping force, high-quality machining, and price point. If you're looking for a set of clamps that can handle aluminum tubing, resist rust, and offer a professional finish without breaking the bank, these clamps merit serious consideration. If these square clamps sharpen your workflow, give the video a thumbs up and lock in future reviews by subscribing. We'll keep delivering precise, tool-focused content to help you craft flawless projects. Hit that button, stay aligned with us, and keep building like a pro in every workshop and master your craft.